Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together.
Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the
B
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
C
Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives on
D
Drury Lane.
E F
Do you know the Muffin Man,
G
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you know the Muffin Man
H
who lives on Drury Lane?
Yes, we
I
know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
J
Man. Yes, we know the Muffin
K
Man who lives on Drury
L
Lane.
M N O
Do you know
P
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man?
Q
Do you know the Muffin Man who lives
R
on Drury Lane?
Yes, we know the
S
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
T
Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives
U
on Drury Lane.
V W X Y Z
Blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color.
A for N B for banana H for horse I for igloo N for nurse O for owl S for snake T for turtle Y for yacht Z for zoo C for car D for drum P for pencil Q for quilt E for eagle R for rainbow U for unicorn V for violin F for frog G for giraffe J for jelly K for kangaroo L for lamb M for mouse W for whale X for x-ray A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.